Okay, today we're going to be looking at the Tacklife spray gun. As you can see, you have your separate paint container and everything, and we're going to start off putting it together. Now, with this one, you can take the whole reservoir off, where there's your pickup tube, or one thing I like about this gun is it has a separate lid that you can fill your paint and material through. Now, inside the package when you get it, you have a number of different tips that come with it, some tools to help clean and everything. Now, I like spraying with the number 2 tip, but you can use whichever one suits your needs in your project. Number 2 tends to lay down a nice coat of paint, so we're going to go ahead and put the number 2 on. Now, when you're spraying, you can adjust your nozzle here so that way you can have your fan going either horizontal or vertical. You can adjust the airflow going through to determine how wide of a pattern you like. Now, we're going to start off with, I already mixed the paint up here. We're going to start off with filling a little bit. Actually, the first thing I normally do is I add some water, because we are going to have to thin this paint a little bit. So I add a little water to it, and then I'll put my paint in. Then I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more water to this. And then we can put the lid back on here. First, we're going to wipe off the mess. And I just choose to shake it all up in here. Makes it kind of nice. Everything's sealed, so you can just shake it all up. I'm just gonna check what my consistency looks like. Looks like we could use a little bit more water. We're going to check consistency again. Looks pretty good. Now all this gun does is it plugs right in to a 120 outlet. And we're going to spray the end table today. First thing I'm going to do is start off with just priming it, making sure I don't really have any splatter coming out. Everything looks pretty good. And now we're going to be spraying the base here. As you can see, we made a pretty short order of painting the base for this end table. And cleanup on this is pretty simple. Just take it out, run it under water. There is a brush to help clean it up. Now, if you are using a oil-based paint, you'll need to follow the recommendations of the manufacturer of what chemical to use to clean it. But there we go. Get on over to Amazon, check them out. For $46.99, you can have a nice little spray gun.